everybody. I got a box in from Sterling Ink because I ordered some stuff that was on sale. And I'm trying to remember what I ordered. But I don't think I'm using it for what I ordered it, what it is. So. All right. So I ordered the date stamps for the years. Oh look, it even comes with a little acrylic stamper thing. So it goes from 24 to 33, so that's 10 years. And since I won't be using these two, I mean, it's basically now 8 years. So I got those. I got some single sheet stickers. The glare is kind of weird on camera, but it's like a little seat in the forest. This is more like the Alice in Wonderland, like Mushroom Path type of thing. And then I got the typewriter. So that's that. Let's see what we got for... Oh, that's cute. I like that. Those are cute. Okay, so this is a B6 520 caramel gold imperfect notebook. I'm assuming that means that it's imperfect, which is fine. That's, I mean, I know it was a little less expensive, so I don't know why it's imperfect, but looks pretty good to me. Don't really have to complain about that. And then this is a B6 Daily Full Year 2025. So this is a tweed with white edges. I got another one of these. I have one of these already. It's 2025. I don't know what I'm going to use that for because I didn't even use the last one. And then I thought I had ordered a B6 cover, but I think I already have that. My cat's going to go crazy over this. I don't know, she loves the sound. She likes to chew on it. It's weird. So, it feels weird. I mean, it's just PU leather. It feels a little different than this leather, but it's not even leather. It's plastic. But this is the daily journal. and I probably am not going to use it for what it is. I might though, so we'll see. But I don't think so. I think I might actually turn it around this way and use it this way instead. Who knows? We'll see. So that is what I got from Sterling Ink. And they're more or less going to be used as journals. So I still need a cover, another cover. I have a cover. This is it. This is a B6 half year. I don't know why I have a B6 half year. That's weird. Yeah. Because I don't think I ordered a half year. Yeah, that's not going to work. Well, that's interesting. All right. And what is this? This is a B6 Slim half year. I have absolutely no idea why I ordered half year covers. That's really weird. Wow, that's interesting. So I guess I need to order B6 full. Oh, you know what I have? I have the Lauren Phelps. Lauren Phelps cover that I can put the B6 in and see if it will fit in that I can put inside a TN. So I have some TNs. So yeah, should be interesting. I like this size better. So somebody was asking me about the sizes of the notebooks, and let me see. Let me pull out some stuff. So, all right, let's move this out of the way. We're gonna put these back in their little thing, so I don't lose them. Because I do that, I put something down and I don't know where I put it, so I'm gonna tuck these right in here. All right, we're gonna set these over here. Move that. This. All right. So this is an A5, full year A5. This is a vertical. It's a vertical. All right. This is a B6 daily and a B6 notebook. Okay. All right. This is a B6 Slim. Oh, you know what I did is I put the cover on this, but it didn't work because I couldn't get it into my Moterm. So that's the B6 cover that I wanted. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Let's put that right there. And this is also a B6 Slim. This is a notebook. So you can see the difference. This is a compact. This is a full year compact. This is a 520 notebook, so it's got the same number of pages as this notebook does. So this is the size difference. Let me take this stuff out. So this is the size difference of the two notebooks. So we have about a finger's width missing off the Slim. So, but let me show you something else. Where did my standard size? All right, so this is a normal standard size TN. This is the Traveler's Company TN. All right. Ooh, I don't know how I just did that. What the frig? So this is a normal size TN. And I will show you what the book. Let me get a book out. So we're going to set this back over here. So if you notice that a B6 Slim is the same width as a TN, a regular TN size. Okay, but it is not the same height. So this is the height. So you're about 2 fingers taller than, and I know everybody's fingers are like different sizes. So let me find a ruler. Where did my ruler go? Oh, it's right here. It's clear. I couldn't see it. So if we're talking about inches, it is about 1 inch taller than a B6 Slim. So a B6 Slim is shorter, but the same width as a standard TN. A B6 Slim versus a B6 is about 3/4 of an inch. Well, I wouldn't say that much. It is about a little over a 1/2 inch, so it's a little over 1/2 inch wider for a B6 and a B6 Slim. And then, hold on one more second. Well, I don't know where my N1 went to, but the N1 would be like this tall, but this thick. So you would have an N1 vertical, this thick, this tall, and it will be do this the right way. You'll have less than so a standard is about 1 1/4 inches smaller than an A5. All right. So if that helps you at all with your sizing, so let me pause this. I got somebody calling me. Okay, maybe that answered the question that was maybe this will help there. So size-wise, this is the height of them. So we have a A5. This would be a standard size right here, which is an N1. This is a B6 Slim, and this is a B6. So, and this is the difference in width on all of these. So that's what it looks like with a B6 on top of an A5. And I don't have any A6 books hanging around out and about. I don't know what. I got like a bunch of crap all over the place. yeah, what did I do to this? I don't know what I did to this. This is weird. All right, it's fine. All right, so I think that will help with the question that was posed about the different sizes. I really liked my N1, and I kind of like my B6 Slim because it's the size of an N1 width-wise, but it's shorter. So I like the compactness because it gives you more space than the N2, because the N2 is going to be narrower, but it's going to be the same height as this. So an N2 is going to probably be like about like this and this tall, if that makes any sense. So yeah, so I hope that helps. Now I gotta go put everything back. I just need to organize my desk because my desk is a hot mess. So like this is the pile of stuff I pulled stuff off from, and everything fell down. So, but yeah, so I do have sort of have plans for these. I'm trying to figure out how to use this. This is this year's, and this is what this was going to be my one book. And I went and I got this, and I was like, no, this is too much, because I had it in a Moterm cover. And then I went from that to this. This is a Jibun Techo. Yeah, this is a Jibun Techo, and it wasn't big enough. It just didn't feel like, I didn't like the vertical in this. So then I went and got the B6 Slim horizontal. So this is the horizontal version. So now I suspect that the vertical version of the B6 Slim will be similar to this type of layout. Obviously it's going to be a little bit different, but it's going to be about that size in a very similar layout. So definitely something to think about. Now the vertical N1 is obviously going to be this width, but it's going to be taller. So it's going to be the size of an A5. So you're going to have at least like 1.25 inches more height on the N1 for that. So yeah, it's going well. So next year I think I'm going to continue with this journal, because this is my journal. So I'm going to continue with this, and then I am going to, is this the pen? No, this is the pen that goes with that. And then I'm going to probably get through another year in this one, which is fine. I'm okay with that. I'll just end up having to put another sticker on it. So I think I might, there we go. So this is a Jenica journal cover in the B6 Slim. And I didn't like it at first, but it's grown on me quite a bit. So, and then this doesn't have a cover. I mean, I suppose I could have used it in that cover. And then this is my Moterm cover for my B6 Slim Weekly Compact. The Moterm cover will not fit the book with the plastic cover on it. So just so you know. All right. And this goes here. Hold on. This goes here. And then this I don't know. I might use it as a notebook. We'll see. So this I'm just kind of going to put back on the shelf. Like I'm going to shelve it, and then I will probably use it as my next journal. I really like the size of the B6 versus the Slim for journaling in, because I feel like I have more room to write, and it's very thin, like narrow to be writing in. And then this will probably be a journal, but not for the dates or the months that's in here. So, yep. And then this is going to be, I think, my morning pages and my gratitude, maybe. I haven't figured that out yet, so we will see. I don't know, but I'm not feeling the knot on the back side, so that's going to be an issue for me, I think, if I wanted to write in it. Jeez. Let's put the string back in here. There we go. All right, so there's that, and that's all I got for you right now. So I will catch you guys later. I will probably post this video before I post a couple others that I have lined up. All right, I'll talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye.